Hi, my name is Mauad Massali. I'm the product management assistant for TrioClear Europe. I worked previously in an orthodontic practice for around 5 years. Of course, everybody had different tasks, but the scanning and the documentation could be done by any assistant. It's also really nice to do that because you're one of the first contact points of the patient, and it's also really important to tell the patient what's happening during the treatment. So if you know what's happening and you can also tell the patient what's happening during the treatment, they are more convinced and they will also be more constant with wearing the aligners. I think me, my colleagues and the patients were really glad when we started with scanning. First of all, it saves a lot of time. Secondly, it's much more comfortable for the patients to receive a scan, the impressions. I learned a lot and I enjoyed my time as an orthodontic assistant. Every patient is unique. That's why also every day is different. You keep constantly learning. If the assistant understands what needs to happen during the treatment, they can work much more independent, allowing the doctor to see the patient less more often and they can see their patients more. So we think it's really helpful for the assistants to do the courses. So they can treat more patients themselves, and the assistants also needs less time for their patients because they can do it in less time. That's why we think the assistants need to do the course, and it will be really helpful for the assistants and also for the dentist or orthodontic. Thank you.